or was it Crypto Planet? Yeah, cool. Hi friends, Chainlink in this descending triangle, where are the key areas to be looking for? Will we see a breakout soon? Is it possible? All that and more just now. Please hit the like and subscribe button, massively helps the channel. I would really love to see you during a live stream as well sometime, so be sure to join me for that. Okay, cut that. Who's got time for intros anyway? Looking down there, you can see that's where the live chat's going on, because this is, of course, a live stream. But I'm just doing a quick summary video for the folk back home, everybody not tuned into the live, to see that Link is got a few key areas that are really, really crucial for us. 2880, let's call it, where the 236 Fibonacci is. Want to see the prices pushing up above that. Confluence in this area with the downward sloping line of the descending triangle, and that is, of course, as well confluence with the previous 618 Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, 50%. You know, there's tons of reasons. This is a really big number, 2880. Moving up past that opens the door immediately towards another 10% move towards the top side. Very, very nice. Fake out territory from any moves outside of this ascending triangle, though, or descending triangle, do come in at that zone. Be aware of 3150 is its importance. Now, that's the two upward side areas. Of course, if we do go on for them, I want to see them happen with volume. I want to see things like the stochastics able to turn around here and bust past the neutral line without doing this idea that we've got in mind that could happen. And we also as well want to see that this is able to get some sort of strength of trend here with a green cross in the purple line as we see the ADX moving into 25 zone. Is that possible to happen? It all is possible. Does it look like it's definitely determined to happen? Not necessarily. If we take into account the sort of hidden bearish divergence, class B, I suppose, yes, but it's there, I guess, in terms of this potential for a downward movement, that we could see some further downward escapades happening. Now, that's all contingent on us actually managing to bust past a certain zone with a degree of momentum. And I'm going to say that that zone is 26.90 or $26 really. That range of that dollar is important for us on this 4-hour time frame, where we're seeing the 50 simple moving average coming in at. We've got this rusty colored line in here, super important. So much interaction with this in the past at 27.50. If we can take that out, then very, very good. And I would say that we could easily come on and try in for another 10% move up just to within the range here. Now, bear in mind that while that looks like it's not very much space, it totally is. 6% move would get you towards the top end of that. Towards the downside here, 10% move. Plenty of trading to be had here. And that's what we're looking for, to try and capture some of those, of a chunk of those moves, as opposed to necessarily the whole thing, waiting for a bit of that confirmation to come in here. Not getting confirmation coming in terms of volume. We are doing okay in terms of this upward movement. You know, we are doing okay. This chunk here is, you know, not divergent in and of itself, which is nice to see on the RSI. It is, of course, on the stochastics, and it is, of course, on the MACD, giving us that impression that, you know, we could well be seeing $25 again in the next day or so. But if that happens and we find support, then jolly good. If it actually busts on down past it, which we certainly do not want to see, then things get scary. Link price turns into the band price quite quickly, going down towards $13-14 with the full overall measured move. Two key areas towards the downside to be aware of really is going to be $19 and $21 if we do push out past it. $21 the key fake out zone for us in terms of any moves here. There's two key fake out zones if we do push down. That goes down to 23.50 and 21.50. Those are the two key areas where you really hope for a turnaround to falsify this pattern. Otherwise, I'd expect the prices to go down and visit $15. And I know that sounds very disheartening, but the thing is that we're actually looking for this to try and break towards the top side, hoping to get in at $40. Happy to take profit at 37 along the way where our previous high was, maybe even 36.90 or something like that, if that's the case. Bear in mind that we will be, of course, checking in with all these conditions along the way. Join me in the Discord, because that's where you can chat to me most. And if you want to, then you can join me for a live stream, drop in questions, and I'll answer them in an interactive session. But the best way, of course, is the premium Patreon membership, where, of course, I feel more obliged to kind of answer and help, you know, but I feel that way anyway. So be sure to take part in the community. We're a good group of lads. Nice one. Excellent. And ladies, smash to black.